Leverage iQueue Share to streamline workflow efficiency between different desktops, users, or departments. A powerful and comprehensive tool, iQueue Share upgrades productivity by uploading select folders to be opened and edited by users all over the network. To begin, open the iQueue Share tab and select the box to enable your iQueue Share. Either share all your files or choose a specific folder. The lower half of the iQueue Share window will list all iQueue shares currently active on your network. The iQueue Share icon is now highlighted green, indicating your iQueue Share is active. The active folder will also show the symbol. If the left side of your interface is hidden, go to the View tab and toggle Folder pane. Shared iQueue folders are identified by the workstation or username. A direct way to share iQueue files is by adding another desktop's remote iQueue to the list of printers. To enable another iQueue to receive job files, find it in the list of hidden devices and move it over to the active list, or press the Discover button to find a new one on the network. To share a job, drag its thumbnail to the iQueue's tile.